We're getting pastries at Blé Sucré for breakfast. It's 7:31 a.m. and it's about a 10-minute walk from the apartment. And I'm wearing glasses today because my eyes are so red. A little recap on yesterday because we just went to sleep after dinner and passed out with face masks on our face. I think I woke both of us up. There was just basically a lot of walking. It was our first full day in Paris and we saw everything. The Eiffel Tower, Arc de Triomphe, Champs-Élysées, went shopping, ate so much stuff, and now we're going to be on our second full and last day here. Any thoughts, Davey?
Yeah, yesterday we walked so long, my feet were like dying, but it was all good because we got to see basically all of the touristy stuff in one day. Ooh, there's like a little market here.
That's the market we're supposed to go to.
We'll go there later.
Right after we get breakfast, but maybe I think they're still setting up and it's really early because it's 7:44 a.m. I've been up since 3:30 a.m. and could not fall back asleep. But anyway, let's see how today goes.
Alright, hopefully we're not, we're going to be walking a lot, so again, but my feet feel refreshed right now. I say that now, but let's see what 11 miles later says. Alright, peace.
So we got a croissant. Ooh, it's so flaky. Oh my god, it looks so good. And then I don't know what this is, but it looked really good from the window. I saw this side. I think it's more sweet. Whoa, it's really buttery and it actually tastes like an Asian pastry. It's a very familiar taste. And the crust. The crust is so flaky, the inside is really soft and buttery. This is really good.
Okay, we're gonna try this next one. It looks like a cross between a croissant and a like cinnamon bun thing. That's exactly what it is. No cinnamon though. It's just sweet. It's like a sweet croissant that's like a little bit more hard, but it's good.
Is it flaky?
Very flaky. Very flaky, and it's a lot harder. But you're gonna see the layers. Yeah, that's good. Alright, let's eat.
We're going to Notre Dame right now. My feet hurt like a motro.
Yeah, we just walked to this area. I would say it's about maybe 2 miles away.
It's a half an hour walk from where we were. But Davey took us on some unnecessary routes for nothing. So probably 3 miles.
Nope.
Yep.
She's over exaggerating, it's not that bad.
No.
But, oh, is that the Notre Dame right there? Notre Dame.
at Notre Dame now, right there. And when we came, it was a little bit darker, but the sun is starting to come out, and we saw it rise through one of the little peepholes in the church. And there's a bunch of tourists here, as you can see behind me. There's a lot of Chinese people. They're doing like these really funny poses. They're going like, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and all these like weird things. And Davey and I were just making fun of that. It was just entertaining to watch. And we're just going to go on. There's actually another church further down on this island, so we might go there before we head to lunch. Café de Flore right now. Davey's coworker who lived or is from here recommended this place. It's on a nice street, a lot of locals and tourists that are here, and we're just eating some French food, and we have like, I think we have the perfect spot to people watch, and we have the sun hitting us, so it's pretty good. What do you think, Davey?
That's cool. The food's good.
I got the croissant, which is half eaten right now. Davey got a duck shepherd's pie, both very French. I got a cup of coffee because I've been up since 3:30 a.m. this morning. I'm pretty tired, and it's about 11. No, it's noon right now. And resting our feet. My feet is literally broken before we head to Sacre Coeur. So we're gonna finish eating lunch and just take in the views and hopefully find my electric converter port thing.
This is the end of our Paris leg of our trip. We walked a million miles today again. It's right now 10:40 p.m. and we have to get up at like 5 to get to the airport by 7.
We took the subway to the area near the Louvre into this mall, Les Halles, and we were trying to find like electrical charger, going to the mall and take a break, went to the supermarket store, got some drinks, sat down, and then we're like, okay, where do we want to go for dinner? Let's have Asian food. I remember this like udon place, which is pretty popular, and then we're like, okay, it's really close to the Louvre, let's like walk there. And before that, we're like, okay, let's use the bathroom. And David's like, I really need to go to the bathroom. And there's a bathroom at -1 level of the mall. And then David got there, and there's a lady at the entrance. And she's like, it's 50 cents euro. And then David's like, can I pay with card? I was like, oh my god, he actually has it. He's like, no. So he's like, okay, I don't want to go. I was like, are you sure? I have 2 euros in actual cash that I picked up from the floor. And he's like, no, I don't want to go. I'm like, okay. So he protested about paying money to go to the bathroom. So then we went to get pistachio ice cream. And then we continued on our way to the Mary Udon place. And then when we got there, I'm like, oh, there's no queue. How's there no queue? It's already 7 p.m. And then apparently there was like a notice in French that said they were closed every second Tuesday of the month, and of course this is every second Tuesday. I'm like, great, that's the second time it happened in Paris to us. So then we went to this tonkatsu ramen place, which was pretty good, but not as authentic as we're used to. But it was good to have Asian food again because we were both craving it. And then we went to this bubble tea place next door called The Alley, which I've seen on social media. It was like super popular in Hong Kong. People waited like an hour for it. And it's a Taiwan chain. I'm like, oh my goodness, it has to be like NT, like 50 or 60 at most. But I paid €6 for it. How crazy is that? Like almost $7 American. And then I complained because it wasn't good, and they made me another drink, and but I'm like dead tired. I was up since 3:30 a.m. It's been like 18 hours, and we're packing and ready to go to Genf tomorrow.
See you at Genf. Peace.